Currently getting heavy graupel here in Oswego. This is not hail or sleet. This is graupel right here. We're currently getting graupel and some snow coming down. Lake effect. We're getting lake effect graupel right now. Temperature is in the mid-30s. It's cold enough for snow now, but this is a convective band, so we're getting some graupel. You can actually hear it hitting the windshield. Sounds like sleet, but it's not. This is graupel. So it's a snowflake that is, going through some currents, going up and down, up and down. So there is definitely some convection. Of course, if it was a little more intense, you would have hail. Graupel is basically too small to be considered hail, but it's basically the very, very early formation of hail. Graupel is basically the hail embryo, or basically what would form a hail if it got any larger. Sleet forms in the same way that rainfall forms. So you get a snowflake that's falling, it melts as it passes through a warm layer, and then it refreezes. But it's not going up, it's coming down. So that's why it doesn't really have it's not really opaque or cloudy, it's more clear. Graupel, as you know, is coating, it's accreting, it's accreting more and more ice. So it's accretionary, so it's going to be more white. Sometimes in the summer you get really, really big raindrops. That is actually hail, small hail that's falling and then melting into rain. Or graupel, or large graupel that's melting into rain. That's why sometimes when you get the beginning part of a thunderstorm, you get the largest raindrops, because that's when your strongest updrafts are occurring. You can actually see the graupel coming down. This is not snow, this is graupel. There's some pretty heavy graupel off to my west-southwest. At the present time, it's in the mid-30s right now, and we're getting, right now, so like a shower of graupel right now. This is basically what lake effect normally does here in Oswego when it's convective. When it's not like a solid shield of precip, when it's more cellular, it's more like this. And see, you could actually see, well, it looks like sleet, but it's not. Graupel, it's also softer. Yep. It's definitely graupel. So we just had some graupel here in Oswego. And there was some snow this morning. We had some snow flurries this morning. Not graupel, actual snow. Last year, I also saw some small graupel on the backside of a cold front when I was delivering packages for Amazon. It was behind a cold front. There was it was coming from the west-northwest. It was actually lake effect. Occasionally, lake effect snow, or what's left of it, would make it down to New York City. And if it does, especially in October, November timeframe, or especially November, early December, it would be like this. It would be very light, but it would be like balls of snow instead of flaky, because it's cumuliform clouds, not stratiform. So yeah, there's a little coating of graupel on the seat. You can actually see a little bit of the slush right about there. So the graupel should be ending now in a few moments, because the line is like this, and it's coming through the area. The heaviest graupel should be off to my southwest, or off to my due south now. Thank you all for watching.